Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture on software design in object-oriented software engineering. The topic to be discussed is software design, design process, and design concepts. So what is software design? Software design is transforming requirements into a blueprint for building software. It is a bridge between requirements and implementation. The software design process has these hierarchies. It has the architecture, components, interfaces, and data structures. Let us empathize. So the goal is to understand the users and their needs. The activities include user interviews, observations, surveys, studying user behavior. In software design, understand user requirements and their pain points is important. So let us clearly define the problem. The activities include analyzing collected data, identifying the key issues, creating problem statements. Example, students find it difficult to track assignment deadlines. So the output would be clear and focused problem statement. Let us ideate. In ideate, the goal is to generate possible solutions. The activities include brainstorming, mind mapping, sketching solutions, group discussions. In software design, we decide the features, choose architecture ideas, propose interface concepts. The objectives of software design. The first point, convert requirements into a structured solution. It transforms requirements into a clear blueprint for developers to follow. It improves software quality. It ensures reliability with modular and well-structured code. It reduces development time and cost. It speeds up coding, testing, and deployment. Make the system easy to maintain and scale. So uses modular components to simplify updates and scaling. It ensures performance and reliability. It optimizes speed, efficiency, and stability. It ensures performance and reliability. The importance of software design include it enhances maintainability. It provides a clear development direction. It provides clear development direction for the system for improving the system performance, and it reduces the coding errors. So the steps in this design process are understanding the requirements, data design, architectural design, defining the system architecture, then interface design and component level design. The architectural design, the common architectures are the layered architecture, client-server architecture, microservices. Data design focuses on the data structures, database schema, data relationships. It ensures data integrity, efficient storage and retrieval. Interface design, it describes the interaction between system components, user and system. It includes user interfaces, application program interfaces, and communication protocols. Component level design defines algorithms for the logic and internal data structures. It includes user interfaces, APIs, detailed design of the individual modules. Software design concepts are abstraction, refinement, logic, internal data coupling, cohesion. So let us look at the concept abstraction. It focuses on essential features. It hides unnecessary details. The types include data abstraction, control abstraction, procedural abstraction. Refinement. A step-by-step recomposition of a problem is called refinement. It moves from high-level design to detailed design. It is also called stepwise refinement. What is modularity? Dividing software into separate modules. Each module performs a specific function. The benefits are easier for testing, better maintainability, reusability. Information hiding. Each module hides its internal details, only exposes necessary interfaces. Thereby, it improves security and maintainability. Functional independence. Modules should be highly cohesive, and it should be loosely coupled. It makes system easier to understand and modify. Cohesion. It is a measure of how closely related functions are within the module. Types include coincidental, logical, temporal, procedural, communicational, sequential, and functional from the worst to the best. And coupling measure dependency between the modules. The types from the worst to the best cases include content coupling, common coupling, control coupling, stamp coupling, data coupling. The characteristics of the good design are correct. It should be correct and complete. It should be efficient. It is to be maintainable, easy, and it should have the scalability, reusability, and it has to be better understandable. Let us summarize. Software design transforms requirements into a blueprint. Design process includes architecture, data, interface, component design. The key concepts are abstraction, modularity, cohesion, and coupling. Thus coming to the end of the session. Thank you.